These are the EPL Kone lifts at Princess Alexandra Hospital.
Who did he say?
Not from here.
Nice EPL Kone lanterns and stuff. Well, actually, I don't know what lanterns these are. View from here. For another ride. Same doors as Manchester Zanzibar. Nice and fast. DDA panel. Lift number 9. Has the new EPL Kone 90 spans with the pop out sides. Let's try and get a different one down. Same doors as Manchester Zanzibar, as I said before. Same locks and stuff as that as well as the replaced lock. Nice to find some nice EPLs. Actually, these might not be EPLs, they might just be Kones with the old stock of EPL ones. Which I'll go feeling it is because it has Kone doors and stuff. There you go.